Hi friends, this is 5 Mr. YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change language in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. First, go to the settings of your phone here and click on System Settings. Click on System Settings and click on Language and click on Add a Language. And here select any other language of a choice to be added in the list. So here I would like to select Tamil. Tamil India. I select Tamil India and here it is asking set Tamil as the default system language. Then if you select yes, it will be directly applied. If you select no, it will be just included in the list and you can later set it. Now I select yes and yes, it is directly applied and by default it's showing Tamil. Language is changed to Tamil. And if you want to activate English again, then you go to here, click on English and click on Angilam Matu and yes, it is activated now. If you want to add more language, click on add a language again and here select any other language of a choice. I select this language, French, and I select here no. So it is just included in the list, and if you want to activate this language, just select it and then click on change to French and it will be changed now. So in this way, you can easily select any other language of a choice. Here you can add more language and that can be selected from the list here. If you want to remove some of the languages added here, suppose if you want to remove French language and then just you go to what you got to do is just go to these three buttons, three dots and click on edit button and select the language to be removed and click on delete here and it will be removed. Yes, it has been removed. So in this way also you can remove some of the language or all added extra languages. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.